Your dropshipping store might be running smoothly today, but what happens when a package is lost, a customer complains, or your site gets hacked? The truth is, one unexpected event can drain your profits fast. That's where Next Insurance comes in. In dropshipping, you deal with moving products, third-party carriers, and customer expectations, all of which create risk. Whether it's damaged goods in transit, stolen inventory, or a lawsuit over faulty product, the cost can be huge. Next Insurance offers safety net. General liability for injuries or damage claims. Product liability if an item you sell causes harm. Goods in transit coverage for items on the way to customers. Cyber liability to guard against data breaches. Business property coverage for any stored products or equipment. They specialize in small businesses like yours, offering flexible, affordable plans and quick online sign-ups. No waiting weeks for coverage. You can get insured today. Protect your dropshipping business before trouble hits. Use my link in the description to get your insurance quote today and run your store with confidence.